In this video, we are going to compare the persistent and non-persistent HTTP connections. For that, we need server and a client. For server, we have one Ubuntu system, and client we have another Ubuntu system. We are going to create a web page in a server and try to access it with another Ubuntu system. To create a server, first you need to install Apache 2. To install Apache 2, type this command sudo apt-get install Apache 2. Hit enter the root password. Now I already installed it, that's why it's showing like this. For you it will install. Now after installing Apache 2, we are going to check the status of the Apache 2, if it's running or not. To check the status, type this command sudo service Apache 2 is status. You can see that it's showing running, means our server is live. Now we need to make some changes in the folder where I'm going now. Click on other locations here, click on computer. Now go to etc folder. Now go to Apache 2. Now here right click and open terminal here. Now type this command sudo nano and apache 2.config conf. Hit enter the root password account. Now you need to scroll down until you find this keep alive. It should be on. By default it will be on. And in the other settings, maximum keep alive requests, it's set to 100. Maximum keep alive request means the number of IP addresses that can access your website. If you keep it to only 2 IP addresses can access your website. If you keep it 100, it means 100 IP addresses can access your website. I already changed my IP address many times, so I will keep it to 100 only. You can change whatever you want. Now to save it, press Ctrl X and press Y and hit enter. Now we change the file settings. Now close the file and close everything. Now we are going to first click on this icon here on the right side. Now go to wired settings. Here click on this gear icon, remove the connection profile. Now your machine has no internet connection. Click on this plus icon. Now click on plus IPv4. Click on manual and type the address you want. It should be less than 225. I'll keep 10.0.0.1. You can keep whatever you want, but this number should be less than 225. In the net mask, type 24 and click on add. Now we are going to create a HTML file. Open the files and click on other locations. Now click on computer and open var folder and open www and HTML folder. I have already here, I will delete it. Now right click on this folder, click on open terminal. To create a file, type this command sudo nano file you want to create. I will create test.html. Hit enter the account password. Now type the code in your HTML. I will create a small file HTML. Enter hello world. To save this, press Ctrl X and press Y and hit enter. Now we just created a HTML file in this folder var slash www slash html. Now we will try to access this web page with the client side. Open the client machine and log into that. Here you need to change the IP address manually. Click on this icon, click on wired connections and click on wired settings. Here you need to delete this profile also, remove connection profile. Now click on plus icon, go to IPv4, set manual. Now type the address whatever you want, but it should be different from the first you typed. I will put as 0.0.0.2, and the netmask just type 24 and hit the add button. Now we'll just see if our page loads or not. Open the Firefox browser. It's loading. It just loaded. My machine went slow. Wait, I'll close this again. I'll open Firefox again. Come on, open. Yeah, it just loaded. Now we'll try to access that just created website. Type the IP address you gave there. 10.0.0. I gave 1 there and put slash. Enter the file name you gave, test.html. We'll just see. Later we will add more to it. Hit enter. You can see the web page has been loaded. We created a web page in the server machine. It loaded in Ubuntu client. In the next video we will see how to add the images to this web page, and we'll try to access those images with the client from the server. Okay.